Hey everyone, welcome back to Master Google Ads with Quick Style. So, if you're looking to run a powerful video ad on YouTube and boost your brand visibility, then this video is for you. Today, I'll introduce you to Google Ads video, the type of a Google ad search, so what they are, how they work, and why you should know them for business. Let's get started. So, what is a Google ad? Video ad. So Google Video Ad are video-based advertisements shown on YouTube and across Google Display Network. Why we use Google Ads? Because it gives eye engagement compared to text or image ads. It has a better storytelling through visual content, precise target for a right audience, works across multiple Google platforms, and many watch YouTube daily. So we're targeting that audience. So when to use Google Video Ads? To increase your brand awareness, to promote new products, to drive website traffic and leads, to retarget past website visitors. We call it as remarketing. So the types of Google ads, we have the 5 types of Google ads. And the first type is skippable ad. The skippable ad is we can skip the ad in 5 seconds and it plays before or during or after the videos in YouTube. It's ideally used by for brand awareness and conversions, trailers, anything. And the second type is non-skippable ads. In this, you cannot skip. There will be a no skip button, but the video length should be up to 15 seconds only. And this is the best for impacting or giving a message as user can't skip. They need to wait for 15 seconds and you'll be getting a good videos with views. And the third type is bumper ads. This bumper ads is up to 6 seconds only. So the video which you give to the YouTube is less than 15 seconds. We call non-skippable. If it's less than 6 seconds, it's called bumper ads. If the duration is 7 to 15, then it's go to non-skippable. If it's less than 6 seconds only or up to 6, it's bumper ad. So this bumper ad is designed for quick brand recall. Like example, we see Zomato or dine out ads like unit fresh biryani, unit fresh paneer tikka masala. Then we get a 6 second ad, which also can be non-skippable. We call it the bumper ads. And the fourth type is mastered ads, which you see in the YouTube homepage or any YouTube starting. So we cannot run this. This be running better. Many big brands they directly connect to the YouTube and they plan direct booking with the YouTube. And the fifth one is the outstream ads. In this, the videos which we publish go outside the YouTube. So this is called outstream app. So in the websites or apps, you see ads, or playing a game, you see sponsored ads or rewardable ads. So that ads are called outstream ads. So it autoplays with sound without sound. Users can unmute it also. And next, we can target the video ads by targeting. So this is the most important and effective one. So in this, there are 9 types of ads. So in this, the first one is placement targeting. So if you want to show your ad in a specific website or a YouTube channel or a specific app, we call it a placement channel. Like I want to show my ad only in a quick bus website. So I'll be choosing the quick bus in that option and selecting this. The next one is topic targeting. So in this we will have general categories of topics like news, sports, foods, and beverages, and many more. We need to select which category we want to do, and we'll publish ad over there. And the next one is keyword targeting. In this we show our ads on YouTube's contain a specific keywords. So that not only YouTube, and we can show it on our website also. So if a website is having a skincare in there, a keyword in the optimized page, then our page will go there and give a ad over there. So it's related to the content of the web page. So next one is demographic targeting. In this demographic targeting, there are filtered by age, gender, income status, married year, and many more about the demographic detailed. And the next targeting is affinity audience. In this, we keep users based on their long-term interests, hobbies, what they do, and what are their lifestyle, like what are they interested in. We call it as affinity. And the next one is in-market audience. In this, we target audience who are actively searching for a related product or services. Like I need a washing machine, so I will be searching washing machine. So if you give a search, from the next time you'll be getting the related ads on your washing machine. So we use in market for this. And the next one is your data. It's first party data. It's show ads to users based on their past interactions. Like on your Google search, you'll have history. So based on that history, you'll be getting ads, and this is called your data audience. We can use this the best for remarketing strategies. And the last one and the best one is custom audience. Here we can create a highly specific audience based on their behaviors. We can choose the people who want to target. And yes, the next slide is about key elements of a video ad. So if you're creating a video ad, remember it should have engaging hook, like it should capture the audience in the first 5 seconds only. Because many people in YouTube skip the ad when we get a skip button, but skip button waits till the 5 seconds. So deliver your content as much as possible in the first 5 seconds so that you can retain the people till the end. Give a clear message. Keep content concise and relevant to the public. Give a strong call to action. Encourage users to take action. Give a optimized video length. Shorter video often perform better. The 6 seconds video is bumper as very useful. If you can create a 6 seconds video, you can optimize very much. And the next one is right targeting strategy. Use precise audience selection. Choose the audience. Do not waste money for the wrong audience. And the next one is the subtitles. Use subtitles so if the ad is going to another region also, people can understand your ad, and yes, it could deliver there also. And that's a wrap on today's introduction to Google Video Ads. I hope you this gave you a clear understanding of what Google Ads and why they are so powerful. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create your video ads campaign in Google Ads account. So stay tuned. Have a nice healthy day. Yes, thank you.